Looking to add a clean and professional logo on your WordPress site? In this video, we are diving into the site logo block from Blocks, perfect for showcasing your brand in a custom logo. Whether you are looking to add a simple logo or want to change the logo on hover or add a different logo on a sticky header, I'll guide you setting it up and customizing. So let's dive in. Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg block editor is active on your site. And make sure to install the Blocks free plugin. Step 1. Install and activate the Blocks free plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugin. Then in the search bar, search for Blocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Step 2. Activate the site logo block. To do that, go to Blocks, then Blocks, and search for Site Logo. This is the block. Enable it and click on Save Settings. Let's see the settings of site logo block from Blocks. Generally, logos are added in the header or footer of a site. However, you can add logo wherever you want. But if you want to add the site logo block in the header or footer template, you can use the extension Theme Builder to create header or footer template for free. Now let's see the settings from the site logo tab. You can add logo in two different ways. You can add a normal logo or you can add double logo. Let's see the normal one first. From the logo type, you can select the image type. You can add an image or you can add an SVG as your logo. Let's continue with image. Then you can add the image over here. From the image size, you can adjust the image size. From the logo max width section, you can adjust the maximum width of your logo. From the alignment, you can align the logo. Now let's see the double option. With this, you can add an additional logo that will change on mouse hover. You'll find the same option available in the normal. Then you'll find this additional field where you can add another version of your logo. Adjust the setting as per your requirement. Let's set the width to same. Once you mouse over, it will show the other version of your logo. Then from the logo URL type, you can set the logo URL. You can set it to home URL or you can add a custom URL. If you want to link somewhere else other than the home page, you can add the link over here. Then from the hover transition, you can adjust the hover transition speed. Then from the SEO option toggle, you can enable the Schema markup to make your logo more SEO friendly. Then from the accessibility tab, you can add an Aria label to the logo to improve the accessibility of the logo. For the normal logo, you'll find this additional option called sticky logo. This will allow you to add a different version of your logo on a sticky header. Let's see how we can do this with the help of extension Theme Builder and site logo. Let's go to extension Theme Builder and we'll add a new template. We'll create a header. We'll name it sticky header and click on the additional settings. Then from the type, we'll select normal plus sticky. Let's click on next. Let's include it on the entire website for now. Let's click on create. Now we'll paste the same header and let's click on the site logo. Now let's enable the sticky logo. Now once you enable it, you will find an option to add a different version of your logo for the sticky mode. Let's add it. You can adjust the image size. You can adjust the logo maximum width. Now let's click on publish. Let's see how it looks. In the advanced tab, you will find some additional styling options to style the container of this block, which we have covered in a separate video. So that's it for the site logo block. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.